10 ways to make money as a teenager. Although teenagers are unable to work a traditional 9-to-5 job like adults, there are still a number of avenues for them to begin earning money through side hustles and online work. Technology is readily available to today's teens. This opens up a world of possibilities that previous generations did not have. You can now make money online in your spare time. Before we start, go ahead and subscribe. Also, press the bell button to get the latest updates. Without any further delay, let us start. In the list of 10 ways to make money as a teenager, at number 10, we have online surveys. Online surveys are simple to complete. The surveys are intended to assist marketers in gaining a greater understanding of those audiences. Although several survey sites cater to adults, some also seek feedback from children as young as 12 years old. To see if you qualify for a survey, go to places like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. Next on the list at number 9, we have listen to your own playlists. If you use the right tools, you can make money while listening to your own playlists. Nielsen, for example, is a great app for making money when listening to music. Nielsen is actively interested in market research. You offer Nielsen access to your musical activities if you download the app. They will then pay you for taking part in this study. Next on the list at number 8, we have create a YouTube channel. In the last decade, YouTube has grown to such prominence that many children fantasize about the day when they can finally make it big on the website. With a few subscribers, you can quickly make money from your videos just as you can with blogging. Next on the list at number 7, we have rate songs. Finally, there are many websites that will pay you to rate music. Music X-Ray and Hit Predictor are two healthy and dependable choices for earning money by rating songs. You just need to listen to songs on both websites. Next on the list at number 6, we have sell online. Who doesn't have any unused items lying around? If you browse through your wardrobe, you're likely to find some items that don't suit or toys you're no longer interested in. Why not sell your items online instead of wasting valuable space in your home? Used goods can easily be sold on platforms like eBay. Simply make a listing, set a price, and ship your products once they've been sold. That's what there is to it. Just make sure you have your parents' approval first. Next on the list at number 5, we have group participations. Many online platforms, as previously stated, pay you to engage in music study. Nielsen accomplishes this by keeping track of the activities. Websites like Survey Junkie and Swagbucks, on the other hand, accomplish this by holding focus groups. Music X-Ray too has detailed focus groups on its song types. Next on the list at number 4, we have review music. Of course, if you can be rewarded for rating music, you can be compensated for reviewing it as well. Hit Predictor and Slice the Pie, for example, pay well for music reviews. After signing up, you'll be sent a list of songs to listen to and review. Next on the list at number 3, we have photographer. You can start a lucrative career as a photographer with nothing more than your phone. There are a lot of stock online trading platforms to choose from. Almost any kind of picture can be uploaded to these pages. The rights to use your images on the website can then be purchased by buyers. Next on the list at number 2, we have freelancing. This is by far the best thing that teenagers can do. Simply learn a digital skill and sell it online on sites like Upwork. Many teens are already working on these sites and earning a lot. Finally, on the list at number 1, we have babysitting/pet sitting. For teenagers who do not like to earn new digital skills but are good with babies and pets, then they can simply start babysitting or pet sitting to earn some extra cash. That's all for today, folks. Tell us in the comment section what is your point of view. See you soon with another amazing video.